So this is just a little supplemental video from yesterday. We got the LLC hooked back up again. People are wanting to see what the waveform actually looked like on the outside of this. Not what the DD-1 is saying, but the actual wave in and the wave out. So this is what we got right here. Looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty clean. Like, this is why an O-scope can't compare it to a DD-1, because that looks pretty good. You're like, oh yeah, it looks good. See that right there? That is what the DD-1 is picking up. So the pink is after the LLC, the yellow is before. Let's see how these line up. So it's not lining up, and it's shaped a little bit different. So yeah, we got the fuzzies going on. So you got that fuzzy stuff going on right there, and it's got a different shape to it. So I feel like this one's definitely a little bit cleaner than the blue one, but it's still got distortion coming out of it nonetheless. And the wave isn't lining up. So I just spoke to Tony, my amazing lead engineer, and he said that that fuzzy stuff probably is not causing the distortion light to come on the DD-1. It's ugly, but it's probably not something that it would recognize. But the fact that that wave is shaped different is the reason why it's picking it up. And I'm not an electronics engineer like he is. I know my way around a scope for the things that I use it for. Obviously they do a million things that I have no clue what it does, but I know what it does for what I do. But just in case, I asked him, am I using the scope right? Just to make sure, because I don't want you guys to think that I'm doing something wrong. So anyhow, there you have it on that. So let's move on to the blue one. All right, same thing. We got this bad boy right here. I hooked it back up just to show you guys. And we're gonna turn the gain all the way down on this thing. It's not unpaused yet. Gain's all the way down. And then this factory amp gain that I had turned up all the way, that's all the way down, okay? So that wasn't causing anything, it shouldn't. So let's go ahead and unpause this. Got my finger on the button. Let's see what it looks like, unpause. Okay, we got nothing coming through, but let's hit this gain and see what's up. I'm gonna turn this gain up. Okay, there you go. How you like that? I mean, I'll turn it all up and down a couple times just so you can see. It's not getting dirtier as I turn it up. It's just dirty as soon as you crack it. So right here, and that factory amp gain is turned all the way down. So we can see if that makes any kind of a difference. Look at this. What are you putting into your amplifier? So right here, we'll go here to this factory amp gain, and I'll turn this up. I don't think it's gonna make any difference though. No, I'm turning it up all the way. Nothing's happening, no difference. How pretty is that? Again, bottom one is the factory head unit, which is my Sony with the high level outs. And the top is trash. So let me turn the volume down on the deck, which I'm doing right now, to see if that maybe causes it to get better. Some people were talking about, oh, maybe you're oversaturating it with power. I don't think so. I'm turning it down, look. You can clearly see what is going on here. It's just nothing nice. I mean, this thing's turned down to like 20. Bottom one's still clean. Top one, doing something else. God, this is the messiest test bench ever. I have to clean this up after this video for sure. But what we got here, we got the SMD. Same thing. Yellow is incoming. Pink is outside of the SMD LOC. So you can see it's clean, both sides. We can go ahead and zoom in on that a little bit. So you can see we got nothing fuzzy going on. Nothing. We good. Gonna raise that up there, put that right up into the pink. I mean, it's almost exactly the same coming in as it is going out. Shit, you can't beat that with a baseball bat. Let's go ahead and move that back out of the way so you can see. Let's do something fun real quick. Let's turn this deck up even more and make it clip so we can see what it looks like when they both clip. So here we go. Look at that. So whatever you're putting into your amplifier or into your LOC should come back out clean. So I'm not trying to dog anybody out. I'm not trying to dog anybody's product out. I'm just trying to show you what my observations are with some of these tools. So take it for what it is. And hey, if you've got one of these in your car and you like the way it sounds, turn all the knobs all the way to the right, every single one of them, and rock on until you smell that shit smoking. Good for you. Enjoy it. Enjoy it for what it is. I'm out of here.